What's up, gearheads, and welcome back to AutokingTV. If you're looking for a truck that's got the muscle to tow your biggest toys, the brains to keep you connected and safe, and the looks to turn heads everywhere you go, then you're in the right place. Because today, we're getting up close and personal with the absolute beast that is the new Toyota Tundra. Is this the king of all trucks? We're about to find out. Let's get into it. The powerhouse, performance, and towing. First things first, let's talk about what's under the hood. Toyota is not playing games here. You've got two incredible engine options. The standard I-Force is a twin-turbo V6 pumping out a very respectable 389 horsepower. But for those who want the ultimate power trip, Toyota offers the I-Force Max hybrid powertrain. Get this, it delivers a jaw-dropping 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. This hybrid isn't just about saving fuel, it's about raw, instant power when you need it. And what does all that power mean? It means this truck is a towing monster. With a max towing capacity of up to 12,000 pounds, the Tundra can handle just about anything you throw at it. Plus, with features like the multi-link rear suspension and an integrated trailer brake controller, it makes towing less of a chore and more of a breeze. Tech that matters. Now, a modern truck needs modern tech, and the Tundra is packed with it. The first thing you'll notice is this massive, available 14-inch multimedia touchscreen. It's your command center for everything. And for the driver, there's an available 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster that puts all the important info right where you need it. But the cool tech doesn't stop there. Toyota has loaded the Tundra with smart features like the panoramic view monitor, which gives you a 360-degree view around the truck, perfect for tight parking spots or tricky off-road trails. And for anyone who's ever struggled with backing up a trailer, the Trailer Backup Guide with Straight Path Assist is a total game changer. Rugged looks, premium feel. Just look at this thing. The Tundra has a chiseled, aggressive stance that means business. From the powerful front grille to the stamped tailgate, this truck is designed to stand out. It's built on a fully boxed, high-strength steel frame, so you know it's tough. But on the inside, it's pure premium comfort. We're talking available leather trim seats, American walnut wood grain trim, and even heated and ventilated seats for the front and the back. And you can't forget the signature Tundra feature, the power vertical rear window, or the massive available panoramic moonroof that opens up the entire cabin. Safety first. Of course, a powerful truck needs to be a safe truck. Every Tundra comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5. This suite of active safety features includes things like a pre-collision system, dynamic radar cruise control, and lane tracing assist to help you and your precious cargo safe on the road. Your turn to be king of the road. So what's the verdict? The Toyota Tundra is a serious contender for the top spot in the truck world. It's got insane power with that I-Force Max engine, all the tech you could ever want, a luxurious interior, and the safety features to back it all up. Whether you need a workhorse, a family hauler, or an off-road adventurer, the Tundra is ready for anything. But now I want to hear from you. What do you think of the new Toyota Tundra? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Is this the best truck on the market right now? And if you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to AutokingTV for more awesome car content. We've got plenty more reviews, builds, and adventures coming your way that you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and as always, drive safe and stay awesome.